everyone, it's Gillian, and today's video I really wanted to film a haul video because I've picked up so many new homewares and makeup and beauty products and I just really wanted to share them with you guys. By the way, this is like totally a pajama top. I just thought it was way too cute to only wear as pajamas, so I'm gonna wear it as a normal top. Now, if this is my first video that you're seeing, then hello, my name is Gillian and welcome to my second channel, and if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then make sure you click that subscribe button. So I'm gonna start off with everything that I picked up from Target. I love Target so much. They have so many awesome things there, and I literally went in there for one thing and then I was like, oh, that's a really cute plant and oh, I love that. So I went and got a trolley and that was like the biggest mistake ever, but I did get the one thing that I went in there for, which is good. So first from Target I went to the homeware section, and if you didn't know, I really love fake plants. I love fake plants because for one, I'm not very good at keeping real plants alive, and two, I just love adding pops of green to my room and I just love the way it makes a room feel. So I am always on the lookout for more fake plants, and I think I currently have 13 fake plants in my room. I don't know if that's too much, but I'm always looking for new ones. So the first fake plant that I saw and I just fell in love with it instantly is this one right here, and it's in a white plastic pot and it's just got these long vine-like leaves on it, and I loved how different it was. I've never seen a fake plant like this and I thought it would be really cool in my room, and the way I've actually styled it is I just put it on like a shelf, or I've got it on my little IKEA trolley, and then the leaves hang over the side, and I just think it looks really cool. Now you guys know that I love succulents, I love cacti, and I saw this one and I thought it looked so cool because it's in this like concrete looking pot, and then it's just a cactus and it's got fake little spiky things on it, and I think it's actually made of foam, but I thought it actually looked quite realistic and I really love it, and I've put it on a little table in my room with some perfumes and I just think it looks really awesome and I love how different it is. And then the last fake plant that I picked up is also a succulent looking one, and I actually have a real succulent that looks a lot like this and it's my favorite succulent ever. So when I saw this fake one, I was like, I have to have it, and it's in a concrete looking pot again, and I just love the different color of green of this plant and it's so perfect for my room. And then jumping into the beauty products that I picked up from Target, the first one is this NYX palette, and this is the Rocker Chic Heart of Gold palette, and I haven't really tried many NYX products. I really want to get my hands on some more because I always hear like really good things about them and they're like really affordable, and I saw this palette there and it just looked really awesome. So the packaging of this palette is like really cute. It's rose gold with silver studs, but the actual eyeshadows themselves are really beautiful colors, and I can totally see myself reaching for this palette every day. The eyeshadows are really wearable and neutral and natural colors, and I think you can create some really pretty looks with this palette, so I'm excited to try it out. Then I picked up a new foundation, and I haven't really heard of this foundation, but it looked really interesting, and it is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Full Coverage Longwear Foundation, and it says that it has a matte finish and the coverage is high, and I got this in the shade Light Sand, and I'm excited to try out this foundation. In the past, when I've tried L'Oreal foundations, I've really loved them, so I'm always looking out for new foundations, so hopefully this is going to be good. I love a good full coverage foundation, so yeah, I'm going to try it out and hopefully I love it. So now I'm going to show you what I actually went into Target to get, and I think I was on Twitter the other day. I'm pretty sure it was Twitter, and I saw someone post about that Target in Australia now carries more of the Zoella Beauty range. Anyway, so I went to Target. I just wanted to look at it and see if there was anything I wanted to try out, and I also wanted to go in before it sold out because I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite popular. So I actually ended up picking up 4 products. I probably only should have gotten one, but it was just all so cute, and I actually love displaying these products in my room because the packaging is so adorable. So the first thing I picked up from Zoella Beauty is the Double Cream Body Cream, and this is macaron scented, and I'm super excited for this. I always love a good body lotion or body cream, and the packaging is so cute. It's like pink and cream striped and I love it. Ooh, that smells really good. It's like really sweet. Oh, I love that. That is like totally me in a fragrance. Then this looked really interesting, and I love the packaging so much. It's got like a rose gold lid, and it's bath latte, bath and shower milk. It's enriched with nourishing sweet almond, cacao and honey, and it will leave your skin feeling beautifully soft and silky. And the bottle, look at the bottle, it's just so cute. And then I picked up the Sugar Dip scented bath salt granules, and these are bath salts. And and yeah, the box just looked too cute to leave behind. I just love the packaging of this entire range. It's also beautiful and it's also me, and I'm obsessed with it. And then the last thing I picked up from the Zoella Beauty range is this body fondant, and it says it's a shimmer balm which is a macaron scented, and it's in this really beautiful box. It's like cornflower blue, and then again it's got the pink and white stripe on top, and I just thought this box was so pretty, and I think I'm just gonna leave it out on display on like my makeup table, or I don't know, just somewhere in my room. It'll definitely be on display because it is far too cute to put away in a drawer. And yeah, I'm so excited to try out some new Zoella Beauty products. I'm so excited that Target in Australia started carrying more of their products. And yes, that's everything I picked up from Target. I think I'm gonna move on to a makeup now. And first from Sephora, I picked up these Marc Jacobs foundations in 2 different shades. And these are the Remarkable Full Cover Foundation Concentrate. And if you didn't know, this is my favorite foundation in the entire world, which is like a massive claim for me to make. So these are super full coverage foundations. I don't think I've ever tried a foundation that has such full coverage. They wear really beautiful on the skin, and I find they last really well as well, and I love the color range. So I just picked up 2 new shades of this foundation. I already have the shade Ivory, which kind of matches me when I'm a little bit fake tan, but I definitely needed one for when I'm not fake tan and I'm super pale, so I picked up the shade Ivory Light, and this is such a light foundation, so I'm really hoping it matches me. But also when I'm fake tan, I don't really have any foundations that match me, and I really wanted to buy some more that would match me when I fake tan, so I picked up the shade Beige as well. And then also from Marc Jacobs, I picked up a new primer, and this is the Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. And I'm pretty sure I've heard Shan XO talk about this primer quite a bit. I think she really loves it, so I really wanted to try it out. And it's got a similar packaging to the foundation, but this one comes with a pump. I'm really hoping I love this primer. I've heard pretty good things about it, so I have quite high hopes. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out, and hopefully it works well. And then from Smashbox, I picked up 2 liquid lipsticks, and I love liquid lipsticks so much. I'm always looking for an amazing formula. So I'm excited to try these ones out, and these are the Always On liquid lipsticks. And I picked up 2 shades. One is called Dream Huge, and the other one is Let's Dance. So Dream Huge looks like a really pretty nude, dusty pink color, which I think is going to be perfect for every day. But then I wanted to pick up more of a fun color, so I picked up Let's Dance, and this is a berry-ish shade. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm hoping I love the formula. And yeah, I haven't really tried much Smashbox products, so I'm excited to give these a go. Wow, I didn't realize that I bought so many foundations lately. So then I picked up the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, and again, I've heard about this on YouTube, so of course I wanted to try it out, and I'm pretty sure this has a really interesting applicator. It looks like a giant concealer wand. It's like a giant bottle of concealer. Like, that's what it reminds me of. So it says that this is a foundation and concealer in one, and it covers thoroughly with a lightweight feel. It also says a naturally flawless look that lasts all day, and it says that you can use it for all over coverage, so as a foundation, but you can also use it to spot conceal. And then I picked up a new foundation from Urban Decay, and I haven't really tried many Urban Decay products. I think I've just tried their setting sprays, so I'm excited to see how this goes. So this is the All Nighter Liquid Foundation, and this is full coverage, long wearing, it has a matte finish, it's waterproof, and it's oil free. So then I picked up another face primer, and this is from Yves Saint Laurent, and this is the Touche Eclat Blur Primer, and I've seen this spoken about everywhere. I feel like so many people have this primer, and it is so pretty. So I don't know if you can see, but it's got like, it looks like gold glitter. I'm hoping I don't look super sparkly when I put it on my face, but I've heard that this product is amazing at smoothing out your skin, so I'm excited to see it. And it's just got a pump, and it's a really beautiful bottle as always from YSL, and I'm hoping I love this primer. Yeah, I'm excited to try it. I love trying new face products so much. And then the last makeup products I picked up are from Too Faced. I love Too Faced. Does anyone else just absolutely love Too Faced packaging? It's the cutest thing ever. So I picked up 2 of the La Creme Color Drenched Lip Creams. And the first one I picked up is a really wearable shade. And you'll see why I said wearable in a second. And this is in the shade Naked Dolly. And I'm pretty sure it's just a really pretty nude. So it's just a really pretty brown nude. And I'm super excited to try it out. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful color. And then, are you guys ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this. I picked up another one of those lipsticks, but this one is in the shade Unicorn Tears. So the name just like got me. I mean, like anything with unicorn in it, I just really want to try. But the actual color of this lipstick is so interesting. So in the tube, it just looks like a light blue lipstick. But I actually watched, I think it was Chloe Morello put up a review on this, and once she actually had it on the lips, it went kind of lilac pinkish. So I'm excited to see what color it is on the lips. Unicorn Tears. I mean, like, how cute is that? I hope I love it. Okay, so now moving on to my favorite store ever, which is Typo. You guys have probably heard me talking about Typo quite a lot. I can't walk past Typo without having a little look inside. And at the moment, Typo had the cutest stuff, and I swear I've like bought nearly the whole store, but it's all like really rainbows and unicorns and pinks and mermaids, and it's just all so cute. So the first thing I picked up from Typo is this packet of coat hangers, and these are rose gold coat hangers. They're so pretty. So then I picked up 2 pen holders, and the first one is this really cute rainbow one. It's so pretty. And then the second pen holder I picked up was this clamshell. I think this is is it a clamshell? It says it's a holographic shell, and it's this really pretty purple color, but if you do move it, it does have that like holographic effect on it. And this one is so cute. It totally reminds me of like the Little Mermaid and just everything magical. And then I also picked up a bunch of pens. Typo have the cutest pens ever. So the first one I got is this cat one, and it's got a little unicorn horn. And then there's this blue one with a rainbow on top, and that's gonna look so cute in my rainbow pen holder. And then I got this one, and it has french fries on top, and it says Friday, but like Friday. I just thought it was really cute. And then I got this super yummy looking one, and it's a donut. And then I just got this really cute peachy colored one. And then I got a pretzel pen. And then my favorite, which is this emoji love heart eyes pen, and I just love how bright it is, and it's so cute. And then I found this really pretty photo frame, and it's just, you can put whatever photo you like in the back of the frame, but I actually really like the photo that it came with. I think it's really pretty, and it goes with the pink glitter. Speaking of pink glitter, it is filled with so much glitter, and then when you like move the frame around, the glitter moves, and it's a really magical and pretty photo frame. And I just have this sitting on my desk, and I always just like to move the glitter around, and it's so cute. Now Typo have the cutest little signs, and they're like wooden little plaques, and I have so many of them. You guys have probably seen them in the backgrounds of my videos, but they had this new one, and I just thought it was like the prettiest one I've seen. So it's a love heart shape, and it's got a unicorn on it and really pretty pastel-y, beautiful rainbow colors, and I can't wait to display this somewhere in my room. It's so cute. And then I picked up a set of 2 candles because I love candles. I have candles all over my room, and these are soy candles, I think, and they're amber and vanilla scented. So from memory, I think they had a couple of sets of candles there, but I got this one because it's got a pink candle in it, and it's also got a gold candle, and they've just got a really pretty metallic finish on them. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Oh, that smells so good. So Typo have a lot of fake plants at the moment, so of course I was in like my happy place, and the first 2 I picked up are these really pretty coppery rose gold ones. And then I saw this adorable one, and it again looks like a succulent, so of course I loved it. And it's in this pink and white pot. I love the fact that it's pink, it's so pretty. And then the last thing I picked up from Typo are these awesome rainbow bookends. So they have these sitting out on a shelf, and they are so bright and so fun, and I love anything rainbow. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these so much. So these are just rainbow bookends, and I love these so much. As soon as I saw them, I was like, they are perfect. I've never seen bookends that look this cute, and they make a little rainbow. So that is everything that I picked up lately. I had so much fun sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!